Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will explain the effect of temperature on solubility. What is effect of temperature on solubility? Generally, solubility increases with increase in temperature. In most of the cases, temperature increases, solubility also increases. The general reason is when we increase the temperature, kinetic energy of molecules increases. Due to increase in kinetic energy of molecules, number of collisions increases, and due to increase in the number of collisions, solubility also increases. But there are some substances whose solubility remains same. There are some substances whose solubility decreases with increase in temperature. For example, if we plot a graph between solubility and temperature, this is the solubility, this is the temperature. The solubility of some substances increases with increase in temperature. The solubility of some substances remains same. The solubility of some substances decreases with the increase in temperature. But most of the substances show increase in solubility with increase in temperature. For example, the solubility of KNO2, NaNO3, similarly KBr, the solubility of these substances increases with increase in temperature. But solubility of NaCl remains same. There is no effect of temperature on solubility of NaCl, and solubility of Na2SO4, sodium sulfate, Na2SO4, its solubility decreases with increase in temperature. Now our question is, what is the criteria for this? Generally we can say that solubility of substances increases with increase in temperature. There are few substances whose solubility decreases with increase in temperature. There are only one or two solids whose solubility remains same, remain constant with the rise in temperature. What is the logic of this? Actually, when we dissolve solute into the solvent, new interactions are produced between the solute and solvent. If these new interactions between the solute and solvent are stronger, then solute-solute interactions and solvent-solvent interactions, then energy is released. If energy is released, the heat of solution is exothermic. If heat of solution is exothermic, then solubility decreases with increase in temperature. This is the logic. On the other hand, if solute-solvent interactions are weak, then heat is absorbed. Heat of solution will be endothermic. If heat of solution is endothermic, then solubility increases with increase in temperature. This is the main concept. If heat of solution is endothermic, if we dissolve solute into the solvent and beaker become cold, it means that heat of solution is endothermic. In such cases, solubility increases with increase in temperature. If heat of solution is exothermic, then solubility decreases with increase in temperature. And if the heat of solution is nor endothermic, neither exothermic, temperature remains same, then there is no effect of temperature on solubility. This is the concept of the effect of temperature on solubility. Secondly, we should know that what is the effect of temperature on solubility of gases in liquid. The solubility of gases in liquid decreases with increase in temperature. If temperature is increased, the solubility of gases become less. In everyday life, you know that in home aquarium, fishes in the summer season, the oxygen amount become less in the water because temperature is high. In the winter season, oxygen amount is more in the water. So we can conclude that the solubility of gas in liquid decreases with increase in temperature and increases with decrease in temperature. This is the concept of the effect of temperature on solubility, and these curves which are drawn between solubility and temperature, they are called solubility curves. This is all about the effect of temperature on solubility. Thank you.